Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Snechi Ngobo, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face and you love the content, please do take the time to hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Today we are doing another hairstyle tutorial. I think I love these videos because I always get a lot of questions about my hair, and I think it's a good incorporation to have within this vlogmas series to just show you tips and tricks that I use to get my hair looking cute and fabulous every day. So today is about day 7 since I've had my hair blown out last week, but I'm still not quite ready to wash it. I do not have the time within my work schedule, so I'm probably going to wash my hair around day 8 or day 9. So I am showing you how I am reactivating my curls in order to go out into the world. So I used a bit of water and leave-in conditioner, and I am now following up with this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel. It is from their flaxseed range. I've been using this gel for years and it's really good at activating my curls. So basically, I'm trying to reverse some of the blowout, the straightness from the blowout, but without actually having a wash day. And that's why so much moisture in the form of water is important for this process. So my hair is very damp by the time I put in that Don't Shrink gel from Aunt Jackie's. I then follow up with this styling dreads gel to sleek down my sides because I am going to do 2 puffs, 2 pom-poms, 2 space buns, whatever you call this hairstyle, but I want the hair that is left out to be absolutely popping. And that is why I activated my curls using that gel as well as that mixture of water and leave-in conditioner. And I think it worked really, really well. As you can see here, the definition of my curls is coming back. And I am just going to repeat the process on the other side. Again, starting with the drenching of water, then the Don't Shrink gel, then the styling dreads gel in order to sleek down the sides. So once both sides were done, I did have some curls that were clumping together, and I just used my fingers to spread them apart and give more definition. And here you go, a zoomed in view of how it looked like. It looked like healthy puffy pom-poms, and then I took some gel to do my edges. This is standard procedure. I am obsessed with edges. Sometimes I go without them, but most of the time I just cannot resist. And I use the styling dreads gel in order to achieve these edges today. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Love you loads, and I will see you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.